climb inside the 2016 Jeep Compass. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, variably intermittent wipers, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, front fog lights, and more. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.